What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about NEO. We're going to talk about what it's doing today and just overall the technical analysis on NEO. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for being here. Let's get right into the video. So, as you probably already noticed, the whole market is just down. The NASDAQ taking a beating, the SPY taking a beating. Well, not as bad as the NASDAQ, but you get the point. Everything is pretty much red today. And NEO is also red as well. NEO's down about almost 6% now. So I kept my expected moves up on the chart. So this is the bottom part of the expected move, right at $50. We're not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Overall though, for NEO, what needs to hold? Definitely the bottom of this zone right here. I think it's right at 50.66 needs to hold for NEO. As you can see, we opened up right here at 54.39 and then bam, just saw an instant drop. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, this was pretty consistent across the whole market. Not just NEO was down, everything is red on the market. Now, what am I looking for the end of the day? What am I looking for going into the rest of this week? Well, we need this 50.66 level to hold. That's non-negotiable. It needs to hold because if we break that, then we'll probably see some further downside. So be on the alert for that. Now, I know this is, midday. We're not finished with the day, so we can still have plenty of time to turn around here. So if we do turn around, what needs to happen is it needs to get above $52.93, $53. So I know that's $1 away, so it may take a little bit to actually get above, but keep on the lookout for that. If we can get above that, then golden will look a little better. We're not out of the woods yet, but if we can get above that 53 mark, then it should help us out some. Now, let's say we're unable to get above that 53 mark. Then what's next? What do you need to focus on? You need to focus on us staying in this green box. So let me get our tool out and let's draw out some scenarios. So today, main focus, staying in this green box. So if we come back down, touch the bottom of this zone, that's okay. I know it'll look a little bad, but as long as it holds that green box, then NEO should be fine. Notice over here, let's go back to what it's done before. Look how many times we tested this top and bottom of this before. Notice that we found buyers here. Yes, we fell down here, but then over here, buyers came right back up and snatched it back up. So we snatched it 3 times up right here. So we know that previously buyers were there. Buyers came in, push price back up. Now, I'm not saying that if it falls back down there again, buyers will show up, but based on previous data that we have, based on the charts, it's done it a couple times. We did it back over here in November, end of November. We did it back over here at the end of December. Guess what? Now we're doing it at the end of February. So you see a trend here. Hopefully, if it stays true, then we do get that bounce here again, and then we can push back up. Yes, we did bounce here, then came back down, but over here is when we bounced, and then we, broke through all of these resistance lines. So let's hope that this has the same fate this time for NEO. Now, if we do that, then as I mentioned before, it needs to get above this 53 mark. This 53 mark has acted as a support before. Notice over here it acted as a support. Here it acted as a support. So if we get above that, then we also know buyers are there. Buyers show up when it hits that level. Once again, it's not a guarantee. Even if we get above it, it's not a guarantee that that level will actually hold. So we have to watch it and make sure that level holds. Now, if we get above $53, then that's when we can have the conversation of, it heading back up to this $57. So in order for me to feel comfortable with NEO, to get back on that bullish train, it has to get back in this top box. Right now, we're in a, an easy downtrend. Anyone can see this downtrend right here. Just take your tool out, bam. Every time we hit that level, it just pushes up, gets rejection. So we're in a downtrend. There's no way to else talk about it. We're in a downtrend, and we need to start reversing. So for all those asking you, should I start a position in NEO? What should I do? Should I cut my losses? I would just wait. I would be patient. I would not start looking to do anything until we broke this box. Now, when we break this box, then we'll have to have a different conversation on as NEO potentially heading lower. But we have not done that yet. So I would not worry just yet. And if you're looking to get in a position, if you want to get in right now with NEO, then be careful. I would go in light, and then I would wait for that trend to change. So when I say wait for that trend to change, I mean just simply getting above this trend line. If we can get above this trend line, and guess where that's at? Right above our $53. So if we get above that trend line, then the trend is starting to change. It's not guaranteed yet though. We need some more confirmation, but it's starting to change, and then maybe you can take a light position. Overall though, I just wanted to make this video because I know people are probably asking what's happening to NEO. Is the sky falling on NEO? What do I need to do? Basically, the whole conclusion on this video is just be patient, wait. It's currently still in our green box, which is okay. Yes, I know it's down, but it's still in our buy box. So just wait for it to reverse and see where it's going to go. And we still have the rest of the day to see what NEO is going to do. Overall, the market's just down. NASDAQ, as I mentioned in the beginning, is down. S&P, not as down as much as the NASDAQ, but everything is pretty much still down. Overall, thank you for being here, though. If you liked the video, go and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.